To me, it's what Maine is all about. It's fresh lobster.
It is so fresh, you can still taste the salt water.
Outstanding quality.
Very, very fresh.
Portion sizes are huge.
We do not measure, we just pile this beautiful meat high.
It's about 3 lobsters worth of meat.
It is sweet.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we checking out lobster rolls, and these look so tasty. Oh my goodness, I want one right now. Should we make one or should we go there? But anyway, let's get it.
Paws, knuckles, you get the entire tail right on the top. It's just incredible.
You have that anticipation, and all of a sudden you bite into this thing, and it is literally the best thing you ever ate.
Simply put, a Red's Eats lobster roll is the best lobster roll in the world. Hi, my name is Debbie Gagnon, and welcome to Red's Eats. Red's Eats is a fast food restaurant located in beautiful Wiscasset, Maine. When you come down Route 1 and you come through the little town of Wiscasset, you're going to see Red's Eats, a quaint little red and white shack. It's been here for 85 years, and I'm telling you, it is 5-star food coming out of that takeout window.
So yeah, y'all, have any of y'all been to Red's Eats? If you have, hit me up in the comments, let me know what they taste like. And hey, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, thumbs down. It don't matter. Just let me know what you think. And if you do a thumbs down, tell me why. But anyway, if you have been here, I would love to know your take on this spot, because I want to go. But if it's no reason for me to go, I can make it at home. So let me know which one you think we should do. But anyway.
Red's Eats is a fast food restaurant located in beautiful Wiscasset, Maine. When you come down Route 1 and you come through the little town of Wiscasset, you're going to see Red's Eats, a quaint little red and white shack. It's been here for 85 years, and I'm telling you, it is 5-star food coming out of that takeout window. My dad bought Red's Eats in 1977. It was defunct at that time, and it had been for sale for a number of years. And I remember the local merchants asking my father, Al, why do you want to buy Red's? And he said, because I'm going to turn it around. And it took a number of years, but Dad stayed true to what he believed in, and that is give people the freshest food and plenty of it, and they'll be back.
And that's so true. As long as you got good food, fresh, people will come. Just like in Field of Dreams, if you build it, they will come. If you cook it fresh, tasty, seasoned well, flavored, people are going to show up, y'all. And we all know it. So let's go ahead and keep on listening and see what's going on with this restaurant right here, because they've been going on for a while, y'all. And it seems like they got a tasty food and they got that formula down. And that lobster roll, oh my goodness. But anyway.
Our claim to fame is our signature sandwich, which is our lobster roll, and it is incredible. My dad was the first one to start offering the lobster roll with straight, beautiful meat and the local butter on the side and the mayo on the side, so people could do what they wanted with it. What I like to tell them to do is dip that tail in first, because they get the entire tail, and then drizzle the butter down the roll. But Dad was really the first one to do it because that's how he liked his. This is what makes our roll so special. Not only this fresh, amazing meat, you can still taste the salt water, but that local butter on the side, the mayo on the side, you do what you want, you make it the way you want.
That's the type of
Man, y'all, I don't even understand what it does to me when I see that butter go over that lobster. Oh my goodness. That's just something that looks so tasty. You can see that butter just dripping down off that lobster tail and then pour it over the top. Gotta have it. And then they got it where you can do it yourself, so you can make sure you get the right ratio. That's on point, y'all. But anyway.
lobster, a little bit of bread, and butter.
The amount of lobster is the most I've had on any lobster roll ever, anywhere.
We do not measure. We just pile it high. It's like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. It's like so delicious.
The lobster was wonderful, it was sweet, it was tender, and the butter was phenomenal on it.
The lobster was delicious and the butter made it better.
You can get it the way you want, pure lobster, just the real deal.
The roll has got to be buttered and grilled, so it's golden brown. It has to have a little bit of crunch, and so that warm bun with that cold meat is simple, and it's simply the best.
Oh yeah, I agree with you. Especially with all that lobster y'all putting on that roll. and y'all got it buttered real good just like that, oh my goodness. I know I would love to try this lobster roll, y'all. If you would love to try it, hit me up in the comments. Let me know you'd love to try it just like I would. But anyway.
Aside from our lobster roll, our second best seller, now there's gonna be a tie here, our deep fried whole belly clams in homemade batter and my scallops will ruin you for any others for the rest of your life. Trust me. Shannon dips them in our homemade batter and she scrapes them for them almost caramelized. They will melt in your mouth, but the clams are killer too. Dug locally, we dip them in our homemade batter and deep fry them and they are just killer. So good. You can't go wrong with either one.
You know, as far as me, I'm pretty sure I would love those clams. I don't know about those scallops though, y'all. I really don't do deep fried scallops, but you never know. I would love to try them. Even though they're not really my thing, they probably tasty too. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it.
If you are not in the mood for any seafood, you still come to the right place. We have something for everybody, from top shelf hot dogs, fresh burgers we hand press every day. They taste like filet mignon on the bun. They are so good. We have the Big Al sandwich, which is the ultimate sandwich. It's a deep fried breast of chicken with bacon, ham, lettuce, garden tomatoes, just fabulous sandwich. We offer our hot dogs a number of different ways. We have the Hollymore dog. So you can have that hot dog with grilled tomatoes, bacon, raw onion, and my in-house blue cheese sauce. So good. But my dad's favorite was our hot dog with mustard and relish. Classic. Cooked on the flat top, butter grilled bun. So good. The classic hot dog, I have left it as $1 in memory of my dad. My dad always wanted families to be able to come and to eat and not spend a ton of money. Yes, you can have a top shelf signature lobster sandwich, or you can have $1 hot dog. They are so delicious.
Now see, that's great for people that have kids and all that. They might not even want no lobster, but they definitely gonna want a hot dog or a hamburger or some of them onion rings or one of them great burgers. I mean that great chicken sandwich, because that chicken sandwich sounds good, y'all. Ham, bacon, cheese, lettuce and tomato. Oh my goodness, you know I would tear that up. But anyway, y'all, let me know in the comments if you think this is somewhere we should go, or you think we should go ahead and hook us up a lobster roll at home. And as always, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.